Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link external bank accounts to Nerdwallet. Do you want to see all your finances in one place? Here's how to link your external bank accounts to Nerdwallet and get the full picture of your money. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com. From your dashboard, click on Linked Accounts or Network Tracker, and then select Add Account or Link a Bank. A list of supported banks and credit unions will appear. Search for your bank using the search bar, and once you find it, click on its name. Next, a secure pop-up will appear asking for your online banking credentials. This is powered by Plaid, a trusted financial data service. Enter your username and password just like you would when logging into your bank's website. You may be asked to complete a multi-factor authentication by entering a code that's going to be sent to your phone. Or, of course, it could be sent to your email. But once verified, choose which accounts, whether it's checking, savings, credit cards, or loans that you want Nerdwallet to access, and then click Continue to finalize. Your account balances, transactions will now sync automatically, giving you real-time insights into your money flow. You can view, manage, or remove any linked account anytime through your linked account settings. Get organized, get insights, get ahead. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that bring your whole financial world together. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.